Okay, so today we are making date nut bread. I love this stuff and I've never actually made it. I've only had other people's. And I'm finishing off this bottle of something, this Italian wine called Montepulciano something. De Abruzzo. Screw top, only the finest.
And I'm not having anything.
Yeah. Like a soda or
Wow.
yeah, there you go. So we're starting with boiling 1 cup of water. And we're gonna add that 1 cup of boiling water to 1 cup of chopped dates. So I'm gonna put the walnuts aside. We'll be having half a cup chopped walnuts. So I got these dates, probably from Costco. I think it was Costco. I've eaten a few, but I'm the only person in the house that eats them. So they're not going very fast. So I figured I should make something. So we need 1 cup of chopped dates. 2 1/4 cups flour. 1 tablespoon baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon salt combined in our little ramekins. They all want you to add boiling water to the dates, I guess, to make them kind of soft and gushy. 3/4 cups in a different bowl. Here, let me get you another bowl. This is gonna be like the mass bowl extravaganza here. So in this bowl, we've got all the dry ingredients. Now we're going to add 3/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, and 1 egg. Ooh, I even used a ramekin for the egg. You are going to beat that with the mixer until light.
That was weird with nails on.
Yeah, we both have nails on right now.
You can see my face trying to like realize how do I...
Indeed, indubitably. So Miranda, have you ever had date nut bread?
I have not.
So yeah. Well, that was a swig. So the only thing I ever hated about dates, number 1, if you don't buy them pitted, you have to eat around the pit. But number 2, they kind of look like cockroaches.
Why would you ever say that?
That's what they look like to me.
Yeah. Ew. That one definitely looks like a cockroach.
I'm just saying, they do. It's kind of creepy, and that's the only bad thing about dates. I don't know, maybe I'm weird, but they've always looked like that to me. The best thing about date nut bread, you make a little sandwich out of it with cream cheese. So I'm gonna put this cup of dates into this metal bowl because we're gonna pour hot water over it and add 2 tablespoons butter to that. Okay, so now we are putting some more wine in the glass, pretty much finishing it off. 1/2 cup chopped walnuts. I personally love walnuts. I love them in everything. I am a brownie walnut person. I like my brownies with walnuts. I like my cookies with walnuts. No?
Well, that's what the That's how whenever I eat just a walnut, I get the.
Because they're dry? They're a little dry. Whatchamacallit? By following a recipe on Google, you can do this.
There are 10 ingredients. You can ask for the next ingredient or skip to the instructions. The first ingredient is what? There are 11 steps. I'll read them one by one.
Oh, wait.
When you're ready to hear more,
Hey, Google.
you can say,
Well, a cup of dates and half a cup of walnuts. Preheat the oven to 355 degrees. Grease a loaf pan, which is what I have here. So we've got the egg and sugar mixture. In another bowl, we combined to the flour, alternating the date and water mixture. That's pretty simple. You got this, that, and the other.
Okay.
Just some of them don't. I'm the one drinking. Okay. Okay.
Some.
Okay. Look at us being all official. Usually I just like throw all these ingredients together and I don't really. Start sprinkling those in as we're stirring them up. I've got my greased loaf pan. Now this stuff has to bake for 45 to 55 minutes. So we're gonna set the timer. Hey Google, set timer for 45 minutes.
Not much. I'm going to internationals for HOSA.
HOSA right here, look at this. HOSA.
And then future health professional.
Future health professionals.
My team did a public service announcement, and we placed second in the state.
How many people were in the competition?
So we were competing against 26 teams. So that's, each team is a range of 3 to 6. So that many people, and then
What's up with the 500 rings?
I like it.
Okay, so that's a thing now, right? Like rings up here. Like when did that become a thing? Before, when I was a kid, it was only weird hippy dippy types. But why the rings?
I like it.
You like it because everybody's doing it, but
I don't know.
from whence?
I don't know. I don't control
Is that
trends.
bougie?
Yes, it is bougie.
It's bougie. Even I know that that's bougie. Note, she will not know this reference, and I wonder how many will. Orson Welles' War of the Worlds. He was doing a radio show, and the aliens invaded. It was all a radio show, but it sounded like a radio show that was interrupted by an alien invasion. And so all these people
That's kinda cool.
freaked out, and this happened.
What a
Hey
neat
Google,
idea.
hey Google, what year was Orson Welles' War of the Worlds?
1938. Here's a summary from the website history.
That's actually a really neat
The War
idea.
of the Worlds, Orson Welles' realistic radio dramatization of a Martian invasion of Earth, is broadcast on the radio on October 30th, 1938.
Well, I'm glad that it was
Wells
realistic.
was 23 years old. This was kind
That's a
of,
genius idea.
he was a genius. So, for those of you out there who are Miranda's age,
I'm
Or-
a genius.
no, or or a few years older and you've never heard of Orson Welles or watched one of his movies, do me a favor and watch Citizen Kane. He was 25 years old when he made this movie, and it is truly a masterpiece. teddy bear baby. And all the world, look at her little sweater. Look at her little sweater. Sweater.
There's a snowman on it. And a
It's her
puppy.
puppy snowman sweater.
Only 10 of the 26 people got, like, of the 26 teams got to move on.
I think we've all gotten tired of this story.
Okay.
We cooked it for about 50 minutes. I put in the thingy-madoodly-doo, what's that, skewer. Okay, these are the cutest little things. They're from Walmart.
Ooh.
So look at that. Dana bread. Everything's better with butter on it.
It's really good. Really good.
Really yummy.
Really good.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.